welcome back to my channel. Today's video it's going to be a tutorial on this makeup using only drugstore products. First, I am going to start doing my eyebrows and I am going to be using the CoverGirl Ultra Fine Brow Pencil in the shade 705. In my eyebrows, I am going to be using the NYX HD Studio concealer in the shade CW04. To prime my eyelids, I am going to be using the same concealer by NYX. And today I am going to be using my Profusion Naturals palette, and I am going to be taking the shade Silk and I am going to set my concealer. Now I am going to take Chatty and I am going to highlight my brow bone. Staying up when I go out, you gotta know I'm all yours. But when I say what's that about, you start slurring your words. Now I am going to take the shade Outstanding and I am going to start defining my crease. Now I am going to take the shade Flawless and I am going to blend it on top of Outstanding. Using a smaller brush, I am going to take the shade Sing and I am going to apply it mainly into my outer corner and lower crease. Now I am going to take the shade Cozy and I am going to apply it on top of Sing. Today I am going to be doing a cut crease, so I am going to take my NYX concealer and I am going to start carving my crease. On a small flat brush, I am going to take the shade Excited and I am going to apply it into the inner part of my eyelid. Now I am going to take Talented and I am going to apply it into the center of my lid. And then now I am taking Traffic and I am going to apply it next to Talented.
Staying up when I go out, you gotta know I'm all yours. But when I say what's that about,
now we're gonna move on to foundation. Unfortunately, I don't own any primer from the drugstore, but with this foundation I really don't need a primer, so I just went ahead and I apply my foundation. Now we're going back to brows. Before I apply powder or anything else, I am going to retouch my eyebrows using this brow gel by CoverGirl. Using my Wonder Stick by NYX, I am going to contour my face. Concealer, I am using the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade Sand. To set my concealer, I am using the CoverGirl Vitalist Healthy Powder in the shade 710, and to set my foundation, I am using the shade 725.
messing with my head again. You had your heart set on me, but these feels, they come and go.
For blush, I am going to be using the Profusion Eye and Cheek palette.
It's about you that I can't forget, but you're breaking down my walls again, just to set me free. Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you always leave me? Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling? Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you
Now using a black eyeliner by L'Oreal, I am going to tightline my eyes. For lashes, I use Ardell Double Up. And on my lips, I am going to be using the Profusion Mixed Metals Lip Kit.
staying up when I go out? You gotta know I'm all yours, but when I say what's that about, you start slurring your words.
So here is the finished look. I hope you all enjoyed this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to enter my giveaway. All the details are in the description box. And that's it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you all in my next video.
Love the touch but never love the feel.